The movie Paglet is what we need in 21st century India. Spoilers ahead. It has a female protagonist Sandhya who was married via an arranged marriage, and within 5 months she lost her husband Astik. Sandhya is expected to cry, sob and mourn the death of her husband, but she doesn't do any of that. Instead, she feels claustrophobic and hungry. Astik's parents, struggling with the worst kind of loss, have not one spare minute to cry because there are rituals to do, arrangements to be made and vendors to be paid. There are distinct relatives whose egos have to be pampered and huge pressure on the family about their survival now that the sole earning member of the family is no more. How does the world expect her to be their version of what she should be? Why does she have to cry and sob and forget eating, drinking and sleeping? Stay glued till the end of the episode to find out what Sania has to say about her character Sandhya, and she also gives us some instances from her personal life where she took a stand for herself and was called a paglet.
ये बहुत important है कि आप सीख जाएं that external validation that you're seeking from outside world. You stop doing that. Validate yourself. Validate your own decisions. Maybe whatever your instinct is telling you to do is the right thing to do. हाँ, एक्टर तो नहीं बनी होगी ना, पीछे डांस कर रही होगी. I used to not validate myself. That's the reason I'm a paglet today.
Tanya, I know that you came to Bombay and you started your journey. So I want to know that, do you remember any instance from your coming to Bombay where you felt that now is the time and I have to take a stand for myself, and now is the time I have to kind of do what I want to do and follow my dream?
After graduation, I was quite confused and I had never told anyone that I wanted to become an actor. So they all knew I used to dance professionally. They all knew कि dance में कुछ कर लेंगे. She might become a choreographer or go and do a dance reality show. ये छोटे छोटे सपने हैं सान्या के. But when I first told my dad that listen, I think I really want to become an actor, he was quite supportive. But my mother was like, listen, do your post-grad and then go whatever you want to do in life. And I felt quite pressured at that point. मैंने कहा maybe she's right. It's quite an uncertain job.
Right.
Whether I should go and move to Bombay and start my life new. It was all very confusing. I felt quite pressured. In fact, when I moved to Bombay, my mother used to call me every day and tell me कि लोग मुझसे यहाँ पूछ रहे हैं तू क्या कर रही है, पर कोई काम नहीं है, क्योंकि 3-4 महीने तो कोई काम नहीं था. I was still figuring out. In those 3-4 months, I also used to feel really bad कि oh God, Papa is sending me money. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting at home, cleaning the house. I was obsessed with cleaning the house. And I used to live with like 5 roommates जो बहुत ही गंदा रखते थे घर को, और मैं पूरा टाइम घर साफ करती रहती थी. But my mother used to get very worried and like she used to tell me कि listen, please come back, do your post-grad, online कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो. And at one point I was like, I called up my dad, मैंने कहा maybe I should come back, I'm feeling quite pressured, there are no auditions happening, I'm not getting a call back, maybe this is not what I should do. My dad told me that Rome was not built in a day, Sanya.
Yeah.
So you have to stay put, don't worry, believe in yourself. And at that point I was like, yeah, I always wanted to become an actor. यार कोई बात नहीं, 1 साल चला जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, I'm going to wait. I'm going to work on this dream of becoming an actor. कुछ ना हो किसने सोचा है, पर ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, दिल से ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि shit मैंने करा नहीं जो मुझे करना था लाइफ में.
तब आई एम श्योर बहुत लोग जो होते हैं, मतलब आसपास के भी होते हैं, रिलेटिव्स होते हैं, बहुत लोग क्वेश्चंस करते रहते हैं कि क्या कर रही है, कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, क्या कर रही है. बोलते रहते हैं पगलेट तो नहीं हो रही है.
After 2 years I think I got dangal. And it came in the newspaper. मेरा और फातिमा का फोटो आया था एक न्यूज़पेपर में. And one of my relatives saw that picture and they called my mother. And my mother was really happy कि हाँ वो आमिर खान की फिल्म में है. She was really happy and that relative was like, अच्छा हाँ एक्टर तो नहीं बनी होगी ना, पीछे डांस कर रही होगी किसी गाने में. तो मम्मी कहती नहीं एक्टिंग कर रही है. They could not get it कि इतना जल्दी ऐसे रोल मिल सकता है, तो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. इतना कोई थोड़ी ना एक्टिंग का कोई जॉब मिल जाता है बॉम्बे जाके. तो सबको डाउट तो था कि whether I'll be able to make it or not, but here I am.
Yeah, here you are and doing such strong roles, and every role that you do is like different and it's so inspiring. And I think this stands very true looking at women of today and obviously in the past. Whenever you stand up for yourself, it is very difficult.
I'm sure you can also relate to it that कहाँ पढ़ना है, कितने बजे घर से निकलना है, कितने बजे घर से वापस आना है. ये सारे फैसले तो हम लेते भी नहीं हैं, और औरतों से ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है कि ये इसमें कंफर्टेबल हो जाएं. सो विद दिस फिल्म आई थिंक द मेजर टेक अवे, अगर कोई छोटी बच्ची ये देख रही होगी फिल्म, उसका मेजर टेक अवे ये होगा कि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप सीख जाएं दैट एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशन दैट यू आर सीकिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. यू Stop doing that. Validate yourself, validate your own decisions. Maybe whatever your instinct is telling you to do is the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Hold on to it. Believe in yourself and take that leap no matter what the other people are telling you to do. I also realized that I was being too harsh and critical on myself as Sanya. I used to not validate myself. कहीं ना कहीं से मुझे चाहिए होता था कि कोई आके बता दे, am I okay, am I doing well, whether it's in my career or in my personal life. You want other people to just come and tell you कि हाँ ये ठीक था, ये नहीं था, why are you looking like this, ये interview में ऐसे क्यों बोला. I was extremely critical and self-judgmental. But through this character, it would sound very cliche, but it's true and I'm not kidding at all. But through this character and through this film, I realized that enough is enough. I can't be so harsh on myself. अब खुद के फैसले खुद ही लूँगी. That's the reason I'm a paglet today. जब लड़की लोग को अक्ल आती है ना, तो लोग उन्हें पगलेट ही कहते हैं.
I want you to tell me like any place you could resonate with the character. This has a Sanya vibe to it.
जब मैंने start किया था while prepping, I never thought that I was so close to her. Emotionally. She has taught me about forgiveness. She was wronged somewhere, you know. But she decided to let go of that and move on in life and start a new chapter. It's a very difficult thing to do. And only a woman can do that. I'm not kidding. Only a woman can do that. We are emotional beings, right? We are so sensitive. हमें गुस्सा भी बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. But then we can set that aside and carry on with our lives. And Sandhya does it beautifully.
So quickly, I want to play this game with you where I'm going to ask all the
Love games.
So I'm going to ask the firsts to you. So Sanya, you have to quickly tell me what is the first thing that you do today in the morning?
I was with my cat, Lailu. She woke me up. She wakes me up every morning at 5:30 because her time to eat. It's like, human, wake up. Wake up and feed me. That's what I did.
What is the first achievement according to you that you've had?
The day I decided that enough is enough, बहुत हुई पढ़ाई, अब दंगल होगा, was my first achievement, you know.
What is the first designer possession that you've had?
I think I bought a bag last year.
Your first crush?
Ganesh Hegde, choreographer. I was madly in love with Ganesh Hegde.
Your first paycheck, do you remember that?
Yes, I do. I was a dance teacher in a school.
Your first audition?
First audition was for a dance reality show. For acting ka, my first audition was for an ad, and I was fooled by the casting director.
Thank you so much, Sanya, for this amazing conversation.
Thanks a lot. It was lovely talking to you.